Hi there guys, Richard here from Leather Repair Company. So today we're going to give you a little bit of a demonstration about LRC22, how it works and where you can use it, and obviously how it can be sanded and dried and everything else. So this is ideal. It's a sort of medium sort of viscosity paste. It's ideal for sort of like high wear areas, so where you've got like a heavy traffic, so it's an extremely flexible product. It's great for filling in like sort of crazing, as you can see here on this particular green item. And it can also be applied with a spatula or with a sponge if you wish. So as you can clearly see, it's nothing like the heavy filler, which is quite a thick, heavy paste. This is it's a lot thinner and it's a lot more flexible, and it's absolutely brilliant for getting into these sort of cracking. As you can clearly see, applying that is absolutely brilliant. So it fills all those. The good thing is, if you don't want to overfill these and it's on a classic car, this is where, or if it's an old antique sofa, this is where you're going to gain like a lot of patina sort of left on it without overfilling the cracking, so that when you recolour you can still see some of this sort of cracking that you've got here, but it's filled some of them, it's strengthened some of them up, but it hasn't overfilled them, so you've retained some of that patina that's on your classic car, or patina, however you want to call it. So as I say, it's a very flexible filler, so you just simply literally use the spatula and spatula in like that. And you can buy these spatulas. We sell these on our website also. They're a fantastic little tool for getting that in there. And as you can see, it's as easy as that to put in. If you wanted to use the sponge, you can use the sponge and also wipe the product in like so if you actually wanted to. And again, you can get the sponges from our website. Just simply wipe the product in with the sponge like that. And as you can see, it's clearly gone into the areas there. So that is exactly what you would do with LRC22. You can speed it up with the hairdryer to dry it. And obviously once it's dry, you can then lightly sand that over with a 320 grit paper to remove any sort of excess that's on the top of the surface. But as with any sort of fillers that you're doing, no matter whether it's a flexi filler, a heavy filler, a quick dry filler or a fibre binder, you obviously have to prepare the leather first of all to make sure the surface coating is prepared, and then you would do all your filling processes, and then you would put on your paint on top and then lacquer over as normal. So that is LRC22 flexi filler. Product details for everything you need to know about it. Thank you very much.